In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect WhatsApp to Apple Watch SE. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to manage all notifications from WhatsApp and how to read them directly on your Apple Watch regardless of the model. In this particular video, I'm gonna be talking about the Apple Watch SE, but this same process will work with any other Apple Watch model. So to do this and enable WhatsApp notifications on your Apple Watch, go over to the Watch application. In here, you have to access the Notifications tab. So go over to Notifications. And now, if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to find WhatsApp. What you have to do is make sure that notifications for this application are enabled. And after you do this, anytime that you receive a message from WhatsApp, the notification will also be relayed on your Apple Watch. Now, keep in mind that WhatsApp is not officially supported fully on the Apple Watch. So even though you are able to enable notifications and manage them, and they will appear on the Apple Watch, this does not mean that you will be able to access all functionalities from the application. If you would like to do this, you will have to download external applications such as WhatsChat. This is essentially a clone of WhatsApp that allows you to use it inside of the Apple Watch. However, because it is not officially supported, I'm not going to showcase it fully in this video. So it isn't something made by these same developers as WhatsApp. But if all you want to do is manage notifications, then this will be done natively by going over to the Watch application, choosing notifications from this window, and then enabling WhatsApp notifications going directly to your Apple Watch. This will work with any model, including the Apple Watch SE. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect WhatsApp to Apple Watch SE. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.